everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. For today, we are back for another reaction video. For the very first time, I'm going to do a reaction. Para sa asap natin to, New Gen Birit Idols. Ito nga ang kanilang performance ng welcome back ng ating popstar royalty, Sarah Geronimo, sa asap natin to. Kaya naman, I'm so excited to check anong mga playlist ang kakantahin nila na hits ni Sarah G. And also, I'm so excited to listen how good is this new gen Birit Idol. Sino-sino nga ba sila? Hindi natin alam, pero ngayon malalaman na natin. But before that, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more reaction video. And if you have any other requests, just comment down below and we will check that out for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! Check this. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys. Oh, after ng performance ni Miss Regine. Oh, Janine Berdin. Oh, Tala. Oh my God. Different version of Tala. Love the look na, ni Janine. Oh my God! May pagka-Casey tandingan din to si Janine. Si Lara Maige. Ay, sino siya, guys? Hindi ko siya kilala, but kung saan man siya nanalo, comment down below. Oh, she have a very nice vocal too. Oh, love the harmony. Oh my God. Of course, Janine's vocal is very textured. Oh, may lalaki. Oh, this is Raven from Tawag ng Tanghalan. And Fana from The Voice of The Voice Teens. Alright, hold on guys. A pause of appreciation first dahil alam ko magta-transition na to the second music artist. But Janine Berdin, first the looks, my God, I love their look. Very new gen talaga ang datingan. And then si Janine talaga very para siyang Casey Tandingan na lagi siya nag-experiment ng look. And of course, exceptional talaga itong Tawag ng Tanghalan Grand Champion na ito dahil sobrang galing. Yes, very textured yung kanyang vocal and that low notes. Isa siya sa mga nakakagawa ng perfectly delivered. And of course, yung kasama niya, kalimutan ko yung pangalan, guys. Apelido na naalala ko, Maige. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya. Honestly speaking, hindi ko po siya kilala. But then, she has a very sultry vocal and that harmony with Janine perfectly fits sa kanilang performance this week. So let's continue. Let's see the next one. Oh, nice. Galing, yes. Ito, kilala ko tong dalawang to. Fana from The Voice. Oh, Kilometro. Grabe, ang laki ng pinagbago ni Fana. Fatima ata yung pangalan niya pero binago, di ba? Ay, hindi pala siya sa The Voice, sa Idol Philippines. Sorry na. Raven Umali, TNT champion. Para nagbago yung itsura ni Raven, oh. Ooh, giving their personal touch. Uy, medyo nakulangan si Fana doon. Hirap kayang kantahin itong kilometro na to. Oh, there's another two. Oh my God, galing. Oh! Love that part. Oh, JM Usures. Hindi ko kilala isa. Ooh. Oh, Sheena ata yung pangalan niya. Alright, wait guys. Alam ko magta-transition na naman to. So, pause of appreciation para kay Raven and Fana. Oh my God, grabe. Ang laki ng pinagbago ni Fana. Alam ko Fatima yung pangalan niya. Hindi pala sa The Voice, guys. Sorry na. Pero feeling ko nag-The Voice siya eh. Hindi ko alam kung The Voice or Idol Philippines. But I know her. She's really, really good. And then of course, Raven Umali, ang ating TNT champion din. Grabe. Ito palang new gen Spirit Idols, composed of TNT and champions, no? Kasi tatlo na. They have Janine, Raven, and JM at the back. But ang laki na pinagbago ni Raven. Not only vocally wise, but also physically. Grabe, nagmukha na siyang superstar talaga. Ang pogi na ngayon, guys. Grabe. But then, I love that part yung tinaas nila. And of course, they give their own version and touch of the song. So let's continue kila JM. And I think Sheena. Sheena yung pangalan, diba? Oh my God, that's good, Fana. Nice. Ooh, isa pang araw. Miss Granny. Sheena nga, Sheena Bellarmino. Oh my God, she have a very good vocal also. Oh my God, that low register is really good. Of course, JM. Iba rin yung vocal prowess nito ni JM. My God, paano nyo kaya abutin to? Ooh, love it! Ooh! Oh my God! Galing ni JM! Wow! Oh my God! Sheena din! Oh my God! Parang ginawa nilang modern rock ballad. Oh, hold on. Wait, guys. Wait. Pause of appreciation. Let's check out that part. Grabe. JM and Sheena is setting the bar so high right now. Ang galing ng transition of notes and also yung parang rock ballad yung dating. Kasi yung vocal power nila parang contrast to ballad and rock. Especially JM is so good. Let's check this part. Saka yung pagbali ni Sheena. Oh! Galing. Oh my God! Ang gwapo ni Raven, my gosh! Oh! There you have it, guys. That is new gen Birit Idol ng ASAP natin to. Welcoming back Sarah G. Grabe. Surprisingly, they're so good. My God, this is the new gem of Kapamilya Network's new generation of music artists na talaga namang panlaban din at talagang ang galing nila. They have their own style and also I love the styling, the outfit, very new generation. At talaga naman Raven Umali, grabe ang pogi ni Raven ngayon. And the rest was so good. I can't wait to check out other performance of these new gen Birit Idols. Grabe ang galing nila. Nakaka-proud na both Kapamilya and Kapuso, they have this kind of new generation of singers na talaga namang na nakaka-proud, 'di ba? Panoorin at bigyan ng reaction video. So if you have any other requests, guys, you can comment down below and we will check that out. Alright, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, kindly do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.